Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Rothschild & Co. Wealth Management. Review my usage experience. Rothschild & Co. Wealth Management offers high net worth individuals and families comprehensive wealth management services. Its main purpose is to help clients grow, preserve, and transfer their wealth across generations. Key features likely include portfolio management, financial planning, and estate planning services. Their website provides details on the specific services offered. Rothschild & Co. positions itself as a provider of bespoke, highly personalized wealth management solutions. They emphasize their long history and experience in managing significant wealth. The website highlights their commitment to client confidentiality and discretion. Pricing is likely to vary significantly depending on individual needs and portfolio size. It's not a service with transparent publicly available pricing. Accessibility is limited to clients who meet their minimum asset requirements. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Rothschild & Co. Wealth Management. Getting started involved a thorough initial consultation, which felt somewhat extensive but necessary given the complexity of my financial situation. The onboarding process was efficient, though it did involve significant paperwork. Navigating the online client portal was initially a little challenging. It's a very sophisticated system, and it took me a few sessions to fully grasp the dashboard's layout and functionality. However, once I understood it, I found the reporting features extremely useful, providing detailed breakdowns of my portfolio performance and future projections. The performance of my portfolio has been in line with expectations, although market fluctuations naturally impact results. I had a quick question about a specific tax implication, and their dedicated wealth advisor responded within 24 hours via email with a very thorough explanation. I was really impressed by the depth of financial expertise demonstrated by my advisor. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick portfolio checks, forcing me to access the portal via a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Rothschild & Co. Wealth Management. While the service is expensive and highly specialized, the level of personalized attention and the sophistication of their tools make it worth it for my needs. That's my overview of Rothschild & Co. Wealth Management. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.